At the 500-hour mark or at the completion of 1 year, the following checks and/or replacements are recommended. Refer to the Machine Operation and Maintenance Manual for more details regarding the requirements of your machine. The engine air filter primary filter element can be used up to 3 times if the element is properly cleaned and if the element is properly inspected. The engine air filter primary filter element and secondary element should be replaced at least 1 time per year. This replacement should be performed regardless of the number of cleanings. Unlatch the cover of the air filter housing, which is located on the right side of the engine compartment. Remove the primary filter and, if necessary, wipe down the inside of the housing with a damp cloth. The secondary filter will be visible once the primary filter is removed. Install the new filters and replace the housing cover. Also, at 500 hours, the engine oil filter and fuel filter element and the cabin air filters should be replaced. For skid steer loaders, the drive chain tension and drive chain oil should be inspected and adjusted as required at 500 hours. The drive chains are located behind the access plate located between the front and rear tire. Be sure to drain oil before removing the panel. Ensure the oil level in the chain box is at the bottom of the threads once the panel is replaced. These checks will need to be completed for both sides of the machine. For compact track loaders, final drive oil needs to be changed. Position the machine so the drain plug is at the 6 o'clock position. To fill, position the machine so that the fill plug is at the 10 o'clock position. The oil level of the final drive should not exceed the bottom of the opening for the middle plug. Check the level once more after the machine has completed a few cycles. Using the correct maintenance practices can greatly extend service life. For more information regarding preventative maintenance, parts, service, or machine operation, refer to the Machine Operation and Maintenance Manual or contact your local CAT dealer.